Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are talking about how to make your living room cozy. Simple decor tips. If you want to create a warm and inviting living room, you are in the right place. We have got easy idea to help you make your space super comfy. First thing, what is a cozy living room? It's a room that feels warm and comfy like a big comfy hue. Start with warm color. Think about using color like brown, beige or soft gray. They make your room feel cozy. Get soft furniture, a comfy sofa, soft cushion and a cozy rug can make a big difference. Mixed texture, combine things like soft velvet, tinted blankets, cushion and fuzzy cushions for that cozy feeling. Use soft lighting lamps that give off a warm, soft light help set the cozy mood. Don't forget about candles and nice smells. Scented candles and air fresheners can make your room cozy and smell great. Add a personal touch, family pictures, your favorite art, and little things that make your smile can bring warmth. Make a cozy reading nook, a comfy chairs, a good books, and a soft blanket perfect for relaxing. If you have a fireplace, use it as center of attention. The warm glow make everything cozier. Bring in some plants, they add a touch of nature and make your room feel welcoming. There you have it, how to make your living room cozy. Simple decor tips. It's all about making your space comfy and inviting. If you like this idea, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple design tips. Share your thoughts and let us know what other topics you have like us to cover in the comments below. Until next time, may your living room be the coziest place in your home.